Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your device, Android version, storage, and connectivity. Once done, make sure unknown sources are enabled so you can sideload an APK. This is quicker than creating an account. Next, download a compatible Play Store APK or a verified open source store alternative. Use a trusted mirror and check file size and signature. You want minimal delay, so pause updates and prepare a USB cable or file manager for transfer if needed. Then move to installation. You now install the APK. Open the file manager, tap the package, and accept permissions required for installation. Once installed, launch the store and choose an anonymous or device-only mode. Aurora Store, for example, lets you fetch apps without signing into Google. Make sure to deny account sync prompts and avoid granting contacts or account permissions. If an update is required, allow only the store app to update. This keeps Play functionality without linking a personal Google account. You finish by downloading and installing apps like normal, but use APK updates if auto update needs a Google account. Once done, enable a VPN if an app is region restricted and reattempt the install. If a download stalls, clear the store cache and storage, toggle Wi-Fi, and retry. These quick steps fix most issues. If the store still misbehaves, reinstall the APK and recheck permissions. Remember, a single reinstall usually resolves certificate mismatches or broken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.